Hello guys, and welcome back to class. In our last class we discussed organizing media and assets. Well, in this lesson we'll be discussing importing video, audio and image files. So let's get right into it. So what does it mean to import audio files, video files and image files? Well, importing is when you bring in your video, your music and pictures into Premiere Pro so you can start working with them. Imagine you have a scrapbook and you need your pencil, you need your pen and you need some other tools for you to start drawing. So it is in Adobe Premiere Pro. And how do you import these files? Well, we'll be doing that step by step and I'll be showing you different ways on how you can import files in Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure you have your project open in Premiere Pro just like I have done, and think of it as opening a notebook. So when you open this notebook or when you open Premiere Pro, the first thing you need to go to is you see the import media file right here in the panel. So you can either do this or go to the file menu. So let's go with this first. So let's go with this one. So you need to import your media. Click on import and your file manager opens in your files. So we are going to be using the organizing project files that I used in the last class, and this is where you import files. So you click on the file you would like to import and click import. Now right here, if you check the project panel, we have our file imported, and if you want to start working right away, do not always forget to left click, hold your left click and drag and drop into the timeline panel, and that is how you have your video. But we will not be doing that. Let's take it back. That is not our focus for today. So I'll be using the Ctrl Z or the Command Z if you're on Mac. So we have a blank space back. Another option is for you to go to the file menu. You can see your file menu right up here. You click on file, then you click on file, then you go down to import. So you click on import. So this also opens your file manager in your computer, and you can click any project or any file you would like to import. So we'll be opening another file, which is the second one. I'll be clicking this open. We'll click on import. So there you have it. Your file is in and ready to use. And one of the few ways you can also import is, which is also my favorite method, is to go to your file manager locally, then you look for your folder, then you look for your images or your videos or your pictures or any audio you like to import, and you could click one, you could hold and drag, you could drag multiple and just drag them. You left click, you hold them and you drag, more like you drag and you drop into your project panel. So all these things fall right into the project panel, and this allows us work with them. So you can drag any file from the project panel into the timeline when you want to work. That will be all for today's class, and that is all for importing and managing your media in Premiere Pro. So in our next class, we'll be discussing what the media browser is all about and how to use the media browser. See you in the next class.